and welcome to Rohde Schwarz here in Sydney. We'd love to welcome you here in person and show you around. Of course, that's not currently feasible, so hopefully this short video will give you a quick overview of our facilities here. Over the next few minutes, we'll give you a tour of our demonstration room, our training room, the calibration lab, the repair and maintenance facility, the warehouse, and the integration facility. Normally, there would be more people on site, but for safety reasons, we're rotating the team between home and here. Let's start with the demonstration room. Rohde Schwarz is an original equipment manufacturer of equipment used in all aspects of the radio frequency spectrum. This ranges from producing test and measurement equipment, broadcast antennas and 5G network testing, and of course we've been trusted to fully integrate secure communication systems for 40 navies around the world, including the Royal Australian Navy and Royal Navy. Some of our working equipment is on display here, including an interesting radio monitoring receiver from 1964. As an OEM, we retain the IP and design for legacy equipment, and we are sometimes called on to repair quite old pieces, which of course we can do. One of the first projects delivered by the Australian team was 3 Transportable Air Operations Towers, TAOT, for the Royal Australian Air Force. Delivery of the TAOT was completed in 2009, and we've been providing support services to the RAAF, including upgrades, modifications, repairs and training for over 10 years. As part of our support to the TAOT, we are updating the voice communication switch to provide a fully IP-based capability using the Rohde Schwarz VCS 4G voice communication system. This state-of-the-art system is based on commercial off-the-shelf network infrastructure, which replaces obsolescent TDMA or time division multiple access-based technologies. This is our training room. Our training facilities in Sydney are regularly used to train the trainer, the users and maintainers. This room and its facilities allows us to also workshop design outcomes for users, such as live human-machine interface development through the application of rapid prototyping techniques. We're also able to deliver training in our offices in Canberra, Melbourne and Adelaide. And of course, we will deliver training in New Zealand wherever it's needed. COVID has seen our teams adapt, and we've recently been conducting detailed design reviews and user training very successfully in the virtual environment. Our commitment to quality and continuous improvement is at the core of our success in radio frequency technologies. Our pedigree is known, and we take pride in this. Here in our certified calibration lab, we provide confidence for our customers by ensuring their equipment performs exactly as designed. Our team of engineers and technicians perform calibrations and adjustments on our customers' equipment. We strictly adhere to national and international standards. Our regional repair and maintenance facility provides a quick turnaround for fault diagnosis and repairs, which is vitally important in maintaining operational capability. We are well stocked with replacement parts so that there is continuity of service and redundancy built into our products. We have all the engineering resources and component inventories here in Australia for all our solutions, making us resilient to global supply chain shocks. As the original equipment manufacturer, there is no middleman delaying the process or confusing the requirements. You talk to us and we get it done. We have significant experience with performance-based through-life support and sustainment activities. We also have mature local infrastructure to support our clients' mission-critical requirements. At North Ryde here in Sydney, we're close to the main road routes and only 30 minutes from the airport. Our warehouse is able to receive, store and dispatch quickly to the required destinations. Now let's have a look at the integration facility. In here we also maintain reference and development systems for our clients, which aid in not only functional enhancements, upgrades and regression testing, but also in fault replication and root cause analysis activities. This facility has been used for the integration of the external communications chipsets for Australian air warfare destroyers, 4 voice communication systems for the air traffic control in New Zealand and for the RAAF. We're about to start integrating NAVIX into the Austral Cape class patrol boats for the Australian Navy. What you can see here is an air traffic voice control system for Airways New Zealand. We're also integrating a small but complex RAAF system with remote monitoring. Many system components are third-party products, a common occurrence for integration projects and one in which we have years of experience. And of course, if you are our customer, we'll have your system set up here as well. So, that's a very quick overview of our facilities here in Sydney. We also have facilities in Adelaide, Melbourne and Canberra. Next time you're here, we'd be more than happy to give you a tour in person. Look forward to seeing you.